In the window Agardio.manager devices, you will manage all the agardio.managers supervised by Stream. From here, if you want to know which agardio.manager is linked to a specific building, just open the selection pop-up and select the building you want. In this case, we have 21 agardio.managers. If we enter the details of a particular one, you can see the basic information related to the network, like the connection information, the communication settings for Modbus, and all the products behind agardio.manager are listed. By selecting one, you know if it is activated, the status of the communication, and what it monitors, such as the zone and the usage. Its technical properties are also displayed. By clicking on Services, you have access to all the metering points of the device. For each, you know if it is stored or not. When not stored, it means you have access to the instantaneous value, whereas you have a historical view when the data is stored. For each service, you have the choice to be notified by email or by setting an alarm. Stream is really a configuration tool which goes from the structure of the installation to each agardio manager and the measuring devices behind. The configuration will be then transmitted automatically to the agardio manager gateways. You also have a history about the changes made on agardio manager. If you want to add a new one, just click there, fill in the blanks, select the building it monitors, and save. Now, add every metering device. Select for each the values you want to store, then click Next. Fill in the details of the device like the name, Modbus address, the zone, and the usage it monitors, the source when relevant, and finally, specify its place in the electrical architecture. Save it. Once done, you can see your product details and its monitoring information, the services that will be stored, and all the other measuring values instantly available. Back to the main page, you can see the device created and within the specific product just added and configured. One important thing on this page is your license capabilities. A Stream is a license-based solution. It is important to know that the total size of your license and what each agardio manager claims as size. Here, the two most demanding agardio managers in terms of data are this one and this one. This bar graph indicates the remaining capability of your license. To increase software capability, you can reduce the number of metering values you want to store, or you can upgrade your license to a bigger size.